Alright, making some mayonnaise for the burger. So I'm using some labneh or the takatak gravy we made. You can check on other videos how it's made. There's a link on the video. You can follow that. So that's around 1 tablespoon of labneh gravy or takatak, onion tomato masala. Then 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix it. So it's like onion tomato mayonnaise or takatak mayonnaise, labneh mayonnaise, what you can call. If you need a bit of salt, you can add. If you need more spicy, you can put a touch of chili powder, and that's good enough. Okay, so making coriander and mint oil, I'm using 3 or let's say 4 part of or 5 part of coriander leaf, washed, and you can use a stem as well. So lemon juice will help the color to be preserved, and you need to be sure it doesn't overheat the mixer. So now we add oil. If you want, you can use olive oil, but if you keep in the fridge, it gets set, and the flavor of the olive oil will affect the flavors from the coriander and mint. So I'm just using plain oil. So if you're using, let's say 100 gram of leaf mix, 100 gram of oil will be good enough. So it's ready to blend. Now you can blend it fine paste, and then we will strain it off. Okay, so the mint and coriander oil is ready. You just strain it off. Just use a fine strainer. Then allow it to drip it slowly and pour more. And if you have a cheesecloth, you can use that, a fine cloth, to drain it. Okay, allow it to drip it slowly. So the oil is strained. The mint and coriander oil, nice green color. Now we can use it for flavoring the food, finishing it off, for garnishes and everything. I'm going to place it in a squeezy bottle and keep it. You can freeze it also. You can keep it in the fridge. Freezing will give a long shelf life, and it doesn't change the color. Alright, so I'm going to make a brown garlic Labneh base. You can use a nice thick Labneh if you get, otherwise I'm going to use a cream cheese and a thick yogurt. A Labneh is basically from yogurt, but it's slightly more thicker and creamier. So let the pan heat up, pour some oil, finely chopped garlic. Now saute to brown. So once it's nice golden brown color and it's crunchy, you stop cooking. Then turn to a bowl and allow it to cool down. So take in a bowl, put all down, then allow it to cool down. Okay, so brown garlic Labneh or bit of cream cheese and yogurt I'm making. So I'm putting cream cheese, 2 tablespoons. Now I'm adding yogurt, again 2. So 2 spoons of yogurt as well. Touch of salt. There is salt already in the cream cheese, so touch of salt. Mix it. Touch of chaat masala. That's less than a gram actually. Mix it nicely. There's no lumps. You can use a whisk also. And to finish it off, you can add a touch of oil. That gives a nice shine to the sauce. So you can see there's a nice shine. So the sauce is ready. You can keep in the fridge or you can use it as you want it.